Hello, my name is Christina Lyse Dagmarsen and I work in sales at DNV Business Assurance. Most mornings I drive my electric car to the train station where I ride the train to Copenhagen for about half an hour. It's a beautiful morning, getting ready to get on the train. It's a bit chilly. Welcome to DNV Hellerup, but first coffee. This is my desk at work, and behind me is Morten from marketing, and in the corner, Lola from the training department. At work, I recalculate contracts for our existing customers. Maybe they need to close the site, or maybe they're expanding. Lunchtime. Today is Vegetarian Wednesday. We're having bibimbap. And if you like bread, of course, you can make smørbrød, which means open sandwiches. Back to work and the meetings.
Tak for kaffe, Katja. Det var godt, at vi lige kunne få snakket om psykologisk tryghed. Ej, hvor en fin kop.
Tak, og i lige måde. Altid gerne.
Time to go home. Hope you enjoyed a day with me at DNV.